ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಟೋರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ ಟಿವಿ ಆಪ್ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ವಂದನೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ ವಾಹಿನಿ ತಂಡ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ ವಾರ್ತೆಗರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಗೇಂದ್ರ.
ಮೇ 13, 2025 ಮೈಸೂರಿನ CSIR ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ಆಹಾರ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಒಪ್ಪಂದಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಕಳಲೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಅನ್ನಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಇನಾಮದಾರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
They are now ready to commercialize, and the product which were developed were launched during our CFTR Foundation Day during October 2024, and these are the 10 different products which are ready for commercialization. New products which are ready for commercialization. We take pride in collaborating with the Laghu Udyog Bharati, which is actually a flagship program of CSIR. They have MOU with LUB to transfer 100 technologies across CSIR. But I'm very proud to say that among all the laboratories, CFTR itself is engaged in almost 50% of the technologies to be transferred. Already 38 have been out of 38, almost 20 are transferred, and another 18 are waiting for the time from the scientists and the industries from Laghu Udyog Bharati to come over here. Kudumbashi, of course, we have the officials from Kudumbashi also here, which is Kudumbashi State Poverty Eradicating Mission, with whom we have almost signed a technology transfer agreement for 94 technologies. The millet bun of McDonald's was launched in September 2024 with the product is available right now in around 400 outlets throughout the southern and western India. And it gives me immense pleasure again to have signed one more project with McDonald's, which is protein slice from the Tiffin department, and the product will be launched very soon. Mostly June is our target. This product also will be coming in the McDonald's outlets.
Their technological prowess on the battlefield. This war, or so-called war against terror, also prove that all future wars will be fought with advanced technology and just not necessarily men and women with boots on the ground. Standing here at CFTRI, an institution that has played a crucial role in food innovation for over 7 decades, I am reminded that technology, when rooted in purpose and guided by collaboration rather, can transform lives at the grassroots levels. And today, more than ever, we are at the cusp of such transformation, powered by innovation, entrepreneurship, and artificial intelligence. And those are the 3 things that I'm going to touch upon in my 20 minutes or so of my speech. So please bear with me for those 20 minutes. I hope we'll get some small nuggets to take back from today, from my speech. CFTRI has been more than a research institute. You all know that. It has been a national catalyst in many ways, and I've been, talking to Dr. Sridevi earlier today, and I've also had the pleasure of meeting with your previous directors, Dr. Raghav Rao and others. And I've always been fascinated by the amount of work that CFTRI does.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ್ತೆಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಗರಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಗರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆಗಳ ಗರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಾಡಿನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಗರಿ.
ಮನೆಮನಗಳ ಗರಿದು ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ತನುಮನ ಧನಗಳ ಗರಿದು ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ವಿಶ್ವದ ದೇಶದ ನಾಡಿನ ಗರಿದು ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, 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 ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಗರಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಟೋರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ ಟಿವಿ ಆಪ್ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ವಂದನೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ ವಾಹಿನಿ ತಂಡ.